If your TD Bank online access is locked, don't worry. We'll show you how to unlock it in under a minute. Common causes include multiple failed logins, suspicious activity, or recent security updates from the bank. You can fix this yourself quickly on the TD website or mobile app. We'll walk through 3 steps. Check account settings, reset your password, and contact TD support if needed. Before you start, have your account number, email, and phone ready for verification. Ready? Let's jump into the steps to regain access now. Step 1. Open the TD app or website and go to Account Settings from your profile menu. If you can't sign in, click Trouble signing in or Forgot username to begin account recovery. Step 2. Choose Reset Password, enter your email or phone, and request a verification code. Enter the code you receive, create a strong new password, then confirm to restore access. If problems persist, call the number on the back of your TD card or use secure chat at td.com/support for live help. You're all set. Sign in with your new credentials and enable 2-factor authentication for extra security. Visit td.com/help for step-by-step guides.